We often hear of people putting roses into trees. Now just look, if I walk backwards, just look at that. Felicity Perpetua from David Austin. You can't want for a better, it's just a May tree, well, hawthorn for use of a better word, but doesn't that brighten it up right through the summer? It's a rambling rose, and yes, it will ramble. It'll create an absolutely fantastic effect. Just look at those roses. And as they die off, you can't deadhead them, you just leave it and it will keep on rambling. And with a bit of luck, it's a perpetual one, so it will get a second flush. Not as heavy as this. Look at that, it's absolutely magnificent, isn't it? Look at that, absolutely superb. And in fact, another one that's quite popular is Rambling Rector. That's even more vigorous than this one. So if you fancy putting a rose up a tree, remember it does add weight to the tree, so don't put it up a tree that's likely to get affected by wind, because you really will damage it. But it's a bit like ivy, remember, it's adding weight to the top of the tree. So if you're in a windy area, be careful of what you put up. Rambling Rector is even more vigorous than this one, so be careful. However, it can add brightness to your garden. If you've got a garden with an old tree down the bottom that's looking fairly boring, why not plant a Rambling Rector down there? Or if you've got an old shed, grow over the old shed and cover it, and it will cover it. So there's some ideas for you from World Radio Gardening. Don't forget, check out our website. World Radio Gardening will give you all sorts of answers to your gardening questions and problems. Just send us an email, post at worldradiogardening.com.